Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Office activation problem with error code 657rx and 4vt9f. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Access Work or School. If any work or school account, simply disconnect. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, copy text from description and paste it. Delete all files and folders. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.